Hello everyone, you are watching RTX Goa's News Bulletin with me, Joera. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Ajay Desai surrendered before court. Court gave verdict of 8 days remand. Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar is known for making big promises without any deliveries. Digvijay Singh. Kolwale Panchayat is trying to make their 19 illegal construction project legal ones. Samson D'Souza. And building of Navodaya High School Valpoi is on verge of collapsing. Life of 300 students in danger. And now the news in detail. As the bail plea of Ajay Desai was rejected by High Court and Session Court earlier, therefore, accused in Kankona tragedy Municipal Engineer Ajay Desai surrendered before court. Court gave verdict of 8 days remand. Mandan Daik reports from Margao.
Engineers concerned, there is no connect at all. According to the report that the GEC has given, the building has collapsed because they built it in refilled land and a retaining wall which was very weak. The height of the retaining wall itself was 8 meters and it could not sustain the weight of the load of that refill that was done. Therefore, once the wall collapsed, the footings came out and the two pillars also came out and the whole building collapsed. I have surrendered Ajay today because bail was refused by the district court as well as by the High Court. We believe that the findings of the High Court that the accused cannot be found to have committed an offence under 304 is plausible, and if they have questions to ask him, perhaps they would be under the Prevention of Corruption Act only. And that is I advise my client to surrender, and we shall move for bail a little later on so that they get sufficient time to find out whether we have been involved in the collapse of the building at all.
कानोडकरांनी आज बेल एप्लिकेशन फायल केल्ली. फर्स्ट बेल एप्लिकेशन जेसी वता ताजे फाटल्यान फर्स्ट बेल एप्लिकेशन एक पयली बेल रिजेक्ट जाल्या तेन्ना तो 6 दीस पुलीस कस्टडी आशिल्लो. आज ताजी पयली परती बेल जेसी वचून फर्स्ट बेल आर्ग्यू जाल्या. आतां 26 तारखेक ऑर्डरी दवरल्या. आमची मेन कंटेंशन की ताजेर फकत करप्शना चार्जीस आसात आनी करप्शनाचे चार्जीस आसून पसून अजुनूय इन्वेस्टिगेटींग एजन्सी कडेन कॉन्क्रीट कांय एविडन्स ना की बाबा ताणें कोणा कडल्यान पयशे घेतले. कारण आमी अशें म्हणटात की आमकां पयशे दिल्यार मॅक्झिमम एकटो विश्वास देसाय आनी विश्वास देसाय तुमची कस्टडी आसा. सो विश्वास देसाया कडल्यान आमच्या कडेन कॉन्क्रीट एविडन्स घेयात की बाबा अमक्या पयशे दिल्या किंवा फ्लॅट दिला गाडी दिला कितें तें अजुनूय पसून 1.5 म्हयनो जालो तो भितर आसा तरी पसून आमच्या अगेन्स्ट कांय येवना. सो आमी कोर्टा कडेन रिक्वेस्ट केल्या की आमकां बेली रात सोडची म्हणून आमची इन्वेस्टिगेशन आमची गरज ना.
केन्नाक दवरल्या ऑर्डर?
26 तारखेक अडेजाक ऑर्डरी खातीर दवरल्या.
Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar is known for making big promises without any delivers, said Goa desk in charge Digvijay Singh. He even said e-tablet tender has been given to a company with strong links to the BJP. Parrikar has done a U-turn on the casinos and GSIDC is now taking away executive poor quality project, he added. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
On the issue of mining, the Chief Minister has promised that he will allow the mining to start from May. The mining cannot start until and unless the Supreme Court decides on the lease issue. In spite of the fact that Mr. Manoj Parrikar was the chairman of the Public Accounts Committee, he conveniently did not mention the issue of renewal of lease. And how can Mr. Manoj Parrikar now make a statement that the mining will start in May?
Samson D'Souza alleged that Kolwale Panchayat is trying to make their 19 illegal construction project legal ones and lodged complaint against them at police station Mapsa. He further requested Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar to look into the matter. When inquired about this, Thivim MLA Kiran Kandolkar, he said that Kolwale Panchayat is doing this with some support of political leaders. Therefore, police officials should make appropriate investigation and give justice to Samson D'Souza. Kautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa.
कोलवाळे पंचायतीन जे चल्ला हांगा तेंचेन पयले 19 लोकांक डिमॉलिशन ऑर्डर हे काडलेले आनी मागीर हेंच्यान कितें केलां तांकां एक रिजोल्यूशन पास केला की आमी पंचायतीक कांय एक्शन घेवंक मेळना इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन आनी तांकां आमी लीगल करता. पण हांगा कितें विथ टेकिंग सम इन्फ्लुएंस लायक तेंचे जे आहा पळय आदलो आमचो आमदार आहा निलकंठ तेचे सांगण्यानी हे चलता आमची पंचायत आनी कायदेशीर करिना सगळे बेकायदेशीर करता ते पपेट भशेन आमची पंचायत आहा मागणी करता आमचे जो आमदार आहा आमचे जो चीफ मिनिस्टर आहा तेंच्यान हेचे हे चौकशी करची आनी तेंचे जे बेकायदेशीर आहा तांकां डिमॉलिश करचें पंचायतीचें काम आहा की इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन जावचें न्हू म्हणून बट हे इलिगलाक लिगल करून दिता.
सॅमसंग डिसोजा जो आहा कोण ताणें लोकहिताक लागून हो जो पंचायतीन जो कारभार चल्लेलो आहा इलिगल सगळे वाट्यांनी जे कितें चल्लेलें आहा तेच्या संदर्भात ताणें कंप्लेंट केल्ली आहा. म्हजी इतलीच आहा की पुलिसांनी योग्य रितीन चौकशी करची खास करून जो आमचो हांगासरलो DSP आहा शराफीन डायस म्हाका दिसता हाणें खास करून हितून योग्य रितीन चौकशी करची आनी कितें आहा तो कंप्लेनर जो आहा सॅमसंग डिसोजा तर तेजे गोश्टीन तथ्य आहा तर तांकां योग्य ती कारवाई करून तेंचेर कितें जे एक्शन जाता ते एक्शन घेवचें जावं कोर्टाक केस धाडपाक जाय कोर्टाक धाडचे. खास करून जे कोलवाळेन जे इलिगल चल्लेले आहा हे सगळ्या आख्खे गोंयचे जनतेक दिसलेले आहा की कोणाच्या आशिर्वादान चल्ला आनी कितली वर्सां चलत येयल्ले आहा हे सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. म्हाजी इतलीच मागणी आहा सरकारा कडेन की योग्य तो कितें हेजेर निर्णय घेवचो आनी जो कोण कंप्लेंट केल्लो आहा ताका न्याय दिवचो.
More news will follow after short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi, (25x) conference room, one-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
Emotion, one-stop location for all your needs. A huge collection of custom gifts for your family and friends. Shop for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, anniversary and much more. Express your deepest love with a thoughtful gift from our store. Unique and creatively designed gifts, only at Emotions.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजी. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेव नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
चांदण्यात फिरताना
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अंगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन तंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले, उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर पदवरी गोवा इथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
अंकल आप ठीक तो हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती, शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
Welcome back. Building of Navodaya High School Valpoi is on verge of collapsing, and since 9 years no renovation has been done for this building, which leaves students' life in danger. Around 300 students are studying in the school. Hence, agitated parents from Valpoi held one-day strike at Azad Maidan, Panji. Parents also allege that students are becoming target between government and schools committees dispute. They also submitted memorandum to Chief Minister in regard to this matter. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panji.
आजपर्यंत काहीच रिपेअर जावंक ना आणि रिपेअर जाल्या कारणान जावंक नासल्या कारणान त्यो बिल्डिंगी ज्यो आसा त्यो मोडकळी जिल्ल्यो आसा आणि भुरग्यांक जे आसा ते त्रासदायक थरलेले आसा. व्हडली छप्परां मोडलेली आसा आणि बाकीचे विविध पॉयंट आसा किंवा नवी थंय जी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर करूंक जाय ते उबें करपाक मेळना नवोदय समितीक. नवोदय समिती अशें म्हणटा आमकां राज्य सरकारान जमीन दिल्ली ती क्लियर टायटल करून दिवची, आमी कितलेशे फंड घालपाक हांगा रेडी आसा. पूण नवोदय समितीचे हात दिल्ली त्याच पॉयंटार घेवन बसलेले आसा आणि आज भुरग्यांचे भितून मरण जाल्ले आसा. ही 3.5 भुरगीं आसा, तेंचे फुडें फ्युचर कितें? तितून एक बिल्डिंग सारकी डेंजरस मेन्शन केल्ले आसा आणि ती ताबडतोब बंद दवर म्हणून सांगल्या.
City of Panji will get developed if all the councillors work unitedly, said Mayor Surendra Furtado. He was speaking after inaugurating 2 trucks given to Panji City by South Union Bank in collaboration with Union Bank. Sanjay Monoli reports from Panji.
He is very happy today that yet we have got 2 trucks and 1 hearse van to our fleet. You will recollect 3 months back we have got 4 trucks, one from Kamath Real Estates, one from Kakulo, then one from Models and from Joe Mathais. Today we have got 2 trucks from the banks. One is the South Indian Bank and one is the Union Bank. Plus we got the hearse donated by Damodar Mangalji Memorial Trust. I would just like to tell you, when I took over, I hit upon this idea of having coffee with Surendra Furtado, as there was coffee with Karan Johar, and that's how I tried to get these trucks. When I hit on this idea, lot of criticism were there from the officers, from my fellow corporators. They will laugh behind my back, saying that this will never happen. But today it has really happened. It is reality, and in months to come, we will inaugurate a mulcher machine and another 2 trucks. There are so many corporate offices who have given us wheat cutting machines, pruners, given us ACs. They painted inside the CCP. No corporate office have said no for CCP. I am thankful to all my corporate friends, and I hope more corporate friends come to our help. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching Ardex Goa.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत. संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. a new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansulem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405-166141. Mallikarjun Caterer.
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजी आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
उदक व्हांवल्या नितळसाणीत मनीस उरतलो
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळतलो
राखपाक गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
दिल या साथी चाहे कुछ भी कहे, जो कॉन्डम का साथ न छोड़े वही है मुकद्दर का सिकंदर।
Welcome back. The work initiated at ward number 12, 13 and 5 at Mapsa will be completed before rainy season, informed Mapsa Municipality Chairperson Sandeep Valari. He even said that Fair of Our Lady of Milagres will continue for 10 days. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Mapsa.
We had an ordinary council meeting, which is a bi-monthly meeting. Item regarding condemnation of vehicle, it was breaking down frequently. They have condemned करपाचे decision घेतला. For transfer of shops within the blood relation, financial assistance to the affected persons in the natural calamities. There was a request from our Deputy CM, proposed certain works, some works from ward number 12 and 13. Then there was another request from Aldona MLA, proposed in ward number 5, where council has decided to forward this for obtaining the government grants. Certain decisions have been taken. One is regarding the Sopo in the municipal market. Regarding the Milagres feast and the Bodgeshwar Satra, it was decided to restrict the number of days for the Milagres feast to 10. 10 days for the fair on the streets and 15 days for the other off the street like the furniture stalls. Regarding the Bodgeshwar Zatra, 8 days, and the minimum bid will be 2 lakh.
The new members of Ponda municipality, led by the chairperson Dr. Radhika Naik, on Thursday passed a surplus budget of rupees 38.44 crore for the fiscal year 2014-15. Last year, the Congress passed a balanced budget of rupees 27.67 crore prior to PMC election. Nilesh Naik reports from Ponda.
The annual budget for 2014-15, I am very happy to say that the Council has accorded unanimous approval for the passing of the budget. The revenue amounts are approximately 38 crores 44 lakhs 51,500 rupees. हाजे पयलीं कितें जातालें, अकाउंटंट एक आपलो बजेट प्रिपेर करतालो आनी कंप्युटर्स जेन्नाच्यान आयल्या तेन्ना कट पेस्ट फाटल्या वर्सा कितें केलां तेंच ह्या वर्सा कंटिन्यू करपाचें. पूण अशें न करता द फूल स्टँडिंग कमिटी along with the chief officer, engineer and accountant sat to rationalize the budget expenditure figures of roughly 37 crores. So neither the vendors are happy nor the SOPO collector is happy. So it compelled us to think what we can do about it. Collect the SOPO fees departmentally, and we are able to provide our staff with machines which records the collection. The government has already issued a circular that all security services should be procured from Goa Recruitment and Employment Society.
Before we wind up, here's a recap of the headlines. Ajay Desai surrendered before court. Court gave verdict of 8 days remand. Chief Minister Manoj Parrikar is known for making big promises without any deliveries. Digvijay Singh. Kolwale Panchayat is trying to make their 19 illegal construction project legal ones. Samson D'Souza. And building of Navodaya High School Valpoi is on verge of collapsing. Life of 300 students in danger. Today's news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching Ardex Goa. You can also watch the news on www.ardexgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.